March 4, 2026 Midday News Summary, New York Time, covering 6 morning to 12 noon. Don't forget to subscribe before we start, so you don't miss out on the latest international news. News 1, UN Security Council calls emergency session on Sahel. The UN Security Council will convene an emergency closed-door session this afternoon following a joint military incursion by Mali and Burkina Faso into Niger, escalating regional tensions. The move challenges ECOWAS authority and raises fears of a wider conflict. News 2, BOJ holds policy steady, yen weakens further. The Bank of Japan maintained its ultra-loose monetary policy, as expected, keeping short-term interest rates at -0.1%. The yen fell past 152 per dollar, a new 2026 low, as Governor Ueda offered no clear signals on a near-term exit strategy. News 3, Eurozone February CPI confirmed at 2.1%, the final reading confirmed Eurozone inflation fell to 2.1% year-on-year, hitting the European Central Bank's target. Core inflation eased to 2.5%. The data solidifies market expectations for an ECB rate cut in June, with the euro holding steady. News 4, oil prices jumped 3% on geopolitical supply fears. Brent crude surged to $88 per barrel following the Sahel military developments and a reported Ukrainian drone strike on a major Russian refinery. The combined events heightened concerns over potential disruptions to global energy supplies. News 5, Asian shares mixed amid tech sector volatility. Major Asian indices closed with mixed results as gains in Japanese exporters on a weak yen were offset by a sell-off in Chinese tech stocks. This followed new draft EU regulations targeting data governance practices of major foreign tech platforms. News 6, U.S. Treasury yields edge higher ahead of Powell testimony. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury note rose 5 basis points to 4.35% in morning trading. Markets are positioning for Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's semi-annual congressional testimony tomorrow, seeking clarity on the U.S. rate path. News 7, Argentina secures new IMF disbursement after review. The International Monetary Fund announced the completion of its 8th review, allowing for an immediate $3.5 billion disbursement to Argentina. The deal provides temporary relief but hinges on the government's ability to meet stringent fiscal targets. That's all for today's news. See you next time.